Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Instagram and signing into the account with the Threads banner. This is essential because settings are account-specific. Once logged in, navigate to your profile and tap Edit Profile. You need direct access to the bio field. Make sure you have a copy of your current bio saved elsewhere, because you may revert changes. If the banner is persistent, proceed to editing. This step begins the active removal process rather than passive waiting. You now focus on the bio content. Remove any explicit Threads link, tag, or keyword. Threads indicators trigger the banner. Edit the bio to plain text or a neutral link. Changing the exact URL often forces Instagram to reevaluate banner triggers. After saving, close Instagram completely and reopen to ensure the server syncs changes. This refresh can remove cached banner data. If the banner persists, repeat edits and give the system several minutes to update profile metadata before moving on. Finish by verifying that the banner is gone. View your profile from another device or a friend's account because Instagram sometimes shows different cache states. If the banner remains for longer than a few hours, clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall Instagram to force a fresh profile pull. Make sure to wait 24 to 48 hours before contacting support. This prevents unnecessary tickets and lets server-side changes propagate. If you contact support, describe exact steps taken and include timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.